Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to recover deleted photos from Android phone. So let's get right into the video. Head over to your gallery, go to some specific pictures, and suppose I'm deleting this one, and tap on delete. Move to recycle bin, and suppose you have deleted this photo and you want to regain it again. So what you will do is to go back and here click on the hamburger menu and click on recycle bin, and as you can see, your deleted photo is being stored in recycle bin for the next 30 days, and unless you delete it, it won't be deleted. So you just can restore it from here by clicking it and click on restore all, and it is restored in your album again. And that's it. This is how you can recover your deleted photos from your Android phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.